I'm Rachel with VMware Marketing. I'm here with Savan. I'm going to ask her a few questions about her experience in Hands-on Labs today. So how have you enjoyed Hands-on Labs today?
I think it's very exactly very awesome, and it's very helpful and useful for us to do some exercise for the features and the new features of the vSphere. Yeah.
So what's your favorite lab today?
My favorite is for the new feature of the vSphere 6.7, and we realize and we send.
Okay, great. And what would you suggest to somebody who might want to take the labs here at VMworld?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. All right, great. Thank you.
Thank you.